My name is Richard Berry. I own Berry Pallets in Waseca, Minnesota. I actually started my garage back in 1988, 89, somewhere in there. Never kept track of it. Well, that was in Janesville. Then we moved out in the country 12 miles from here. We were there for about 25 years. We moved in July of 2013 to this new location. Being raised on a farm, had to milk cows 7 days a week. On weekends, I was bored to death. So I had to find something to do, so I sold firewood. And when I sold the firewood, my motto was, don't sell nothing unless it's something you'd buy. And that holds true in the pallets here, but I was always stacking the firewood on pallets to get it off the ground so it dry better, and everywhere I went, people just says, take all the pallets you want. Then one day I said, I'm going to see if I can fix these up and sell them, and I advertised in the Minneapolis paper, and it took a while, but I got someone to buy, and it just went on from there.
I'm Curtis Berry. I work at Berry Pallet. I'm the foreman. I do almost everything on the floor and in the office. I didn't get handed the position. I worked my way up. I was the lead operator. I knew what I was doing. I didn't just get handed it because I was the owner's son. If I didn't start the bottom up, I wouldn't have a clue what my employees, or my fellow employees, I don't know what their daily struggles are. When they come to me with complaints, I'd be like, I know exactly what you're talking about. Try this instead of this. I got two-year degrees in marketing and business management, so that helped me out a lot, especially in the beginning, because I was working while I was going to school. So when I learned new things in classroom, I came to work right after and tried to apply it to our business. So that helped out a lot. My dad helped me a lot through the years. It was tough love, I guess. He didn't just hold my hand. He told me, you're doing it wrong, figure it out. And if I didn't figure it out, he helped me and stuff like that. He's a hard worker. It really is. He cares about this business. He wants it to succeed. He wants the employees to go home happy. And he loves his job.
Don and Al Quast, they've been with me since they were 15 and 16. They used to tear pallets apart, dismantle them. And then they worked their way up, and they showed ability to supervise. So we gave them that title many years ago, and they've done really, really well. I worked at a creamery after high school, then milked cows after that. Then I worked in a flour manufacturing business. So I kind of understood what food quality means. I've been in that industry, and that's kind of our customer base, food manufacturers. They want good quality. They don't want something that can contaminate their product. So that's what we specialize in.
Our quality standard, we feel, is very high. So when the customer orders a pallet, they're going to get what they want. I mean, there's always human error, but we try and correct that and train our employees to do it correctly. We work with the customers, and if they need a different or lower price, we work with them on changing maybe a couple things with their pallet, maybe so it's still usable for them and it meets their needs and it gets their price that they want.
If I didn't have those machines, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. Not even close. I mean, if they weren't around, I don't know where the industry would be. And that's how much a role they played. I'm Richard Berry, and this is my legacy.